The new Wrangler JL is one of the most popular vehicles on the road. The factory LED headlight option is functional, but very expensive, and the halogen option is simply not adequate. Aftermarket lighting options attempt to fit an incompatible 7-inch light into a 9-inch opening. A solution is needed for a functional and affordable LED lighting option. Oracle Lighting recognized this problem long ago and began designing a suitable LED lighting solution for the new JL platform. Our goal was to exceed the factory LED lighting features and provide a product with OEM feel and quality, all for an affordable price point. Introducing the Oculus Bi-LED Headlamp system by Oracle Lighting, featuring advanced LED projection with 3200 lumens of 5500K pure white light for enhanced driver visibility in all weather conditions. The LED light source has lower power demands compared to the factory lamps while providing more light output. The bright white daytime running light halos features over 100 LEDs per side. These all-new headlamps provide enhanced driver visibility with increased and focused LED light output. This is a complete headlight replacement with more focused light than a simple bulb upgrade. Beam and angle adjustability provides proper light focus on lifted vehicles. The LED light source has low power demands compared to the factory halogen lamps while providing more light output. It was important for this product to have a unique and distinct design, so Oracle sourced feedback from consumers to refine the initial bezel design for Project Oculus. This patent-pending design is based in Euclidean geometry, using concentric ellipses to create pattern symmetries. Every part of the Oculus headlight was designed with great attention to detail. Even the rear lamp housing, a part that is normally overlooked, was sculpted by our designers so that the Oculus is appealing from any angle it is viewed from. It is undeniably important to implement proper thermal management tools for high-performance LEDs to operate with reliability in various environments. Oculus utilizes both active and passive cooling methods to sustain low LED temperatures. Remote-mounted heat sinks and an internal cooling fan work in conjunction to ensure proper temperature control and overall longevity of the LEDs. Light focus is very important for not only driver safety, but others on the road who can potentially have their vision obscured by glare. This is especially significant on lifted vehicles, where the light source is raised and in a position to interfere with another driver's vision. These new Oculus headlights feature a sharp cutoff line and aim light with precision specifically to avoid such issues. To find out more about the Oracle Oculus headlights, visit www.oraclelights.com/Oculus or call 1-800-407-5776.